Okay, so I want to talk about my trading day in general because it was a little bad, but a little good, really good actually. My final trade, but here, starter market. Like I stated in my video before, I like to use previous day fibs if on the SATI ATR levels. I like to use the previous day fibs as a bounce spots. So I was looking for a bounce up here, but I mean it was a little choppy. I should have took my call right here, but I didn't. I took it around right here. Got stopped out. I got into puts right here. Um, the reason I got into puts because the emails look like they're about to cross. Also, it looked like a head and shoulders were forming here. So, the head, the shoulders, and I was looking for a right shoulder to form. But that the right shoulder got invalidated when this little rip came up here. That I started. I'm in this Discord, not my Discord. And I said, well, the right shoulder looks. It doesn't look right shoulderish anymore. Um, my hearts are in puts, but this chart started looking bullish to me. I stayed in puts, which I shouldn't have. Um, I stayed in puts, and I even drew out this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern, and I still stayed in puts. I should have got out. I was negative. Was hoping to, you know, turn this into a big green. I was hoping for a drop down here to all the way to 292 to the demand zone. That didn't work out. I get this big green candle here that just destroys my puts. I get out. I get out my puts. Um, you know, but I start to reassess, not trade with my heart, but more with the chart. So after this big green candle here, I was looking for calls because what it does, I'm looking for it to retest this ascendant triangle, or this is the bear market trend line. So I see it retest the bear market trend line. I literally load up calls right here. I load up calls right here on the retest perfectly. This is probably really good execution after trading poorly before. And it's above previous day close, which is the blue line right here. So perfect. So I get in here, it immediately runs up, runs up, runs up. And the thing is, I kind of anticipated this, retracing all the way back to the fibs up here. So I I get in and I get in here, perfect entry comes up here. It claims this call trigger. So if it dropped below this, I was gonna get out. Um, I did get a little greedy, but I was very confident. I was willing to swing that I was gonna retrace all the way back up here. So I hold this. I'm up probably 50, 60%. Actually, at one point I was up 70% right here, or because I remember it hitting 70 a few times and coming down to 50, and then I'm up 70% here, 70 plus. I hold on. I'm riding these EMAs because it's so far from the EMA, so I'm ready for it to retest the EMA, bounce up there. I'm still in these until the end because a lot of times I get out of my trades when I know it's gonna hit my target. So that's something I'm working on is just um, staying in my trades and believing in my reason. So they run up all the way up there, which is you can see the supply zone, and it's between the golden zone fibs. So usually when it's a supply zone and golden zone fibs, I get out at the supply zone. So it runs up here. I put a limit order in, and and it takes me and I get out of calls right here for 135%. So started off really bad. Um, but ended up really good. Ended up green for the day. Um, I got a little bias, especially because you know usually when it rejects off of here, it usually sells off. This is the 200 EMA channel, but it tapped it too many times. When it started tapping it too many times, I should have got out of my puts, but I did. Um, Usually when it taps it, it just sells off, but it was tapping it too many times. I should have got out of my puts, but then I got wrecked here. But then I ended up making up for it over here. So that was the recap of my trade. Um, Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, or leave any suggestions. Thank you.